talk about how to roll out a course on LeadMe app. First of all, you have to be sure about you are in export mode. Click on profile section from the bottom nav. Now see just below of your information there is a two tab here, export and user. Currently user tab is in blue, it means I am in user mode. But to create or roll out a session or course, you must be in export mode, so switch to export. Now I am export, so I can roll out a session or course. Now let me go back to home page. Click on home page, home button. Then you can see there is a 5 option. You just have to click on course. Click on course. You can see there is a plus button on right top. Click on it. Now there is a two option also here, weekly and daily. Weekly you can create two type of course like weekly and daily. Weekly means one day in in week, and daily will be every day in between your selected dates. So now start, select category, select subcategory, topic name Android. I am doing for demo, don't think much about it that I am writing something wrong or anything else. Six, end date, this was a start date. Now select end date, when your course will be end. Even it is weekly or daily, when your course will be end, because it is course, so your course will run from 6th Jan to 31st Jan, weekly basis. It means classes will be once in a week. Okay, now select time. If you are starting from today, you must select time 15 minutes ahead from current time. If you are starting from tomorrow and anywhere, then you can select time as per your convenience. Okay, now I'll have to select 8 p.m. 8:15 I will select. Now put fees. This will be charged from the user who will subscribe your course or register into your course. Max user, it is max user, maximum people can join your course 30. Here write some description about your course, what you are going to teach in this course, what will be the goal of the course, anything like. But I will put some random value. I am not gonna write anything here, I am tired of writing things. So let me write here. You'll have to write original content, because if you will not write, no one will be purchasing your course, right? So you must write original description. Now add course, click on add course. Wait while admin approves your course. Okay, till then, to check your courses is live or not, you must go to profile section. Check you are in export mode. You must be in export mode at that point of time to check your course is live or not. Okay, so after approval, let's check. Click on course. See, there is a course Android, right? Now how will you start your course? When will you start your course? As you have put time 20:15, it means 8 and 15 p.m., right? Quarter past 8 p.m. Okay, so click on 8:15, click on the card. You will, this will be expand like this, and all the classes list will be here. right? As you can see, there is a join now button. This will be green, other will be in different color at that point of time. First one will be green. On the second class, second one will be green, others will be uh, like current. And on the third class date, third one will be green. So you have to click on join now button, then it will take you to video lecture mode, lecture classes activity, where you will be visible to your users and your student and your subscriber. So that's all from the creating course, and now you can download the app from description, app links in description. Okay, thanks a lot.